Day 3. I'm still down here in this abandoned building. I like it. and the thing I like most about it is it's every day it's $3. Every day it is $3. I wanted to show you one of my other meals. I love this meal. I've been holding on to this can for a while. So it's Denny Moore beef stew, and it's the big round can. And so it's usually a single helping. You know what I mean? A nice. It isn't the 8 or 10 ounce can. I think it's a 12 or 14 ounce can. It's the medium one. Anyway, I take that, add a cup of water to it, and make it very soupy. And then I get that stirred all and get everything. And then I take a beef ramen noodles, bust it all up into pieces while that other stuff is just boiling. And it's really soupy. And then right towards the end, man, I'll throw those ramen noodles in there and I'll suck that water up. And this is what it looks like. That's what it looks like. Sometimes I'll throw extra vegetables in there. And I've done this already. And I've done it with rice. White rice, wild rice, or rice peel-off type stuff. Rice, any kind of rice, whatever's cheap. And then I'll get a bag. I got bags of it, just different kinds of seasoning in it or whatever. But that is my favorite, and I am out. That is the last can, and I've been looking for it ever since I got in Mexico. Knowing that I came into Mexico with 3 cans. And that is the very last can from a very favorite meal of mine. So I'll do that. And I'll do it. And I usually use it just a ramen noodle. You know what I mean? I don't use the flavoring usually. Right there's the flavoring. I don't use the flavoring usually. Just about 12 ounces of water to one of those medium-sized jars, put it in that jet boil, get it boiling, so just keep it boiling, and then start adding your noodles into it. And the noodles will suck up that gravy taste, it'll make it really nice, and it gives you, instead of getting this much food, you're going to get this much food because of the noodles. I get it, but it fills your gut, and you're getting some vegetables, you're getting some protein, and you're getting some noodles. It's better than jailhouse meal, I'll tell you that. Anyway, that is one of my other favorites. I like doing that, and I got 2 other tricks up my sleeve that I haven't been able to find yet. But one has to do with baked beans. But now I'm looking for a special kind of baked beans. But I'm going to show you. It's another really cool meal, and I like doing it. Anyway, there you go. That's my beef stew concoction. I'm staying the night and packing out of here first thing in the morning. Sayulita. Or whatever happens in between. See? Well, I'm kind of trapped up in here today. I was going to leave 2 days ago, and I didn't. Kind of hung out. Visited some other things. But I trapped in here because look out there, it's raining. It's been raining all morning, all afternoon. And I guess it's going to go raining into the evening. Be me and Teddy. Watched a couple movies. Basically, did nothing but lay around. I did read a book. I was reading in my book. Look at Teddy. We were loving on each other a lot. That's my boy. That's what we got. That's what we're doing. Well, here I am. It's been a couple of days in the rain. Sucks. Man, I guess it's alright. Gave me time to reflect. Time to think. I got to read my book. It often makes me think. But yeah, maybe the weather will cooperate tomorrow and I can get on my way. Sayulita. It's been a gloomy day. I missed the sun. But it'll be back again. Talk to you later. Alright, we were partaking. Got it going on. Then we shut it down. Yeah, we can't listen to that. We can't listen to that. We can't have that being played. Can't have that being played. Get a strike. Get a strike. Anyway, this is the inside of the camp. I got it pretty simple. I mean, I got the hardware out there. But, I got a pretty simple little setup going on here. I got a party inside the tent now. One is you're out of sight, you're out of mind. All they do is smell, they don't see you. Anyway, I think that's what I'm thinking. But man, we've been busy, I know. And I've been here for 2 days and I haven't made no contact with you. And I feel bad. Don't tell my mom. Alright? But I got camp all set up, man. Check this out. I got everything. I got everything but the AMOC out. I got a secondary hang line stretched underneath the canopy. I got all kinds of fruits. There's onions, lettuce, cheese. I got all kinds of fruits and bread and fruits and stuff hanging off of this thing, and kiwi on the motorcycle, and lunch meat. We just got everything all set up, man. That's how I got it all set up. That's the way I like to do her. You see, I got bananas and everything up there. I got a water fucking thing set up for when I need it. I have to tie Teddy off, man. He gets over anxious and wants to just take off. But I got that set up. I got my other bag is over there on the other side. I only need the bag with my clothes and personal hygiene and all that stuff. I'm not tearing down, setting up, tearing down, so that can be on the other side out of the way. But you can see how I got it all set up. And this is my view. And this is the camp that I'm staying in. And there's Teddy kicking back and relaxing. Yeah, I got laundry. I took laundry down today. Went and did some grocery shopping. We're gonna go get some more stuff I can make, like some chicken legs or something. Maybe I can get a thing of rice and boil chicken leg off and two chicken legs off in the pot, and mix in some rice and some whatever. But I got a kiwi hanging out on my butt. I just didn't want to put them in a bag and get them smashed. Had 5 of them. I already tore into them. I like them. But yeah, this is the camp. So it's a pretty cool hookup. Now this spot here puts you on the beach. 200 pesos, $10 US. But it's got all kinds of stuff in here. So I went today and did the laundry. I'm charging stuff. And I ain't gonna lie to you, but I was partying for a little bit, so I lost contact with you. And I don't want to be in contact with you when I'm partying a little bit. I'm just kidding. You've been there a million times with me. Anyway, so we got, this is right on the beach. Sayulita. We'll go for a beach walk. We'll go into town. We're going to do some walking around here today. I got to go pick up my laundry at 5 o'clock. It'll be all washed. This is the facilities. This is what it is. That's all it is. It's nothing big about it. Just as simple. Smells like shit. But you're in here, and it's all kind of cool stuff in here. There's apartments up there. There's tree houses. Got some bananas started. There's some. What do we got? Got those ones. And here's the community plug. Something, huh? And then you got these huts right here. Quarry over here. And there's my spot. I'm homey. Yeah. I'm here, I'm hanging out. Got my blanket out. I usually take my long blanket and put it up during the day. Especially I know I'm going to be there for a while, man. I got this set up to be here for a little while. I mean, the only thing I ain't got out is my AMOC. You know, I might stretch it out just for shits and giggles here for a day or something. Just to play around with it. I don't know. Probably like from that tree to that tree right there and just sit there looking out there at the beach. I don't know. Maybe for a day or a night or whatever. But yeah, it's freaking beautiful, man. Freaking beautiful. Anyway. I'll give you a 360. It's just beautiful. It's been cool and breezy. It's in the mid-70s. I'm still wearing pants, rolled up, whatever. But get you out here on the beach a little bit. It ain't slowing nothing down. So you see the surfers out here first thing in the morning and the last thing in the evening. There you go. There's my camp. Alright, I'm gonna get out of here. I'll take you into town then. Alright, so here we are. We're still in Sayulita. I'm still at the campground. That's what we're doing. I'm cooking breakfast. It's Teddy. I'm cooking breakfast over here. I got some charcoal it's cheaper than buying the gas. And this is that really good charcoal. And so it is cheaper than buying the gas, and it's easy to work with my jet boil. I'll show you in a minute. But somebody gave me that one and tell me it doesn't work. It's boiling in there, and there's just a couple of them underneath there, right there. And I just crush them up underneath there and just let it sit. And she's doing her job. She's boiling them apples. That's what I like. But anyway, I know I haven't laid out some videos, and I got a lot of video to lay out, and that's going to be today's mission, is to get some videos uploaded. But these videos are going to take you back a little bit to when I was in La Paz. I left La Paz, went to Todos Santos. I think that's where I went. I went to the Pacific side of the Gulf, or I went to the Pacific side of the Baja, and I came down around into Cabo San Lucas, and then back up, circled up, caught the ferry, and then came over to Mazatlan to Sayulita. And there's been a bunch of stops along the way, and there really hasn't been internet. Not good enough to upload a video, or even to get my electric to get my computer to run. So my laptop, but I got it charging right now. And so there's going to be a lot of video, and it's going to come in that series. Probably like that. I don't know that I'm going to edit a lot of it out. Pretty much everything is just showing me going from one beach city to the next, and circling around and coming across on the ferry. The ferry was a trip, I'll tell you that. But anyway, we're going to start this out with probably being in La Paz, and leaving La Paz and headed to the Pacific coast of the Baja. So there you go. That's what we're up to. The gang's all here.
What up?
I know, but you think right here?
This one.
You think so?
Because look, over here.
I don't have enough rope for that. I don't even know if this thing's like maybe dry rotted. So,
Sid got here yesterday.
come on. Gretchen gave it to me, and I never used it. She had a hand.
Don't you know how to tie a knot? A nut?
I might. I'm just trying to. I never used it.
What the fuck are you doing?
You know, of all times I've helped you set your tarp up, have I ever fucked with you?
The fuck do you got?
What do you,
No, I got it figured out. Hey, watch this.
what'd you do with it?
Oh, a piece of hose. Just hold that up. Stay right there, Corey.
Hang on.
What a weird. Oh, you put it the wrong way.
Just wait a minute,
Oh,
man.
you're all fucked up. That's it. Beat him with the hose.
You gotta move that ton in.
Wait a minute.
Yeah, and you move that tent.
Move that ton over.
Wait a minute. You know what you need? No.
You need a tent. You need a
a
tent
few
mover.
more chiefs helping you out.
Right?
You need to move
We're
that tent.
fixing
You
this
need to
kitchen.
move the tent over some.
You can get Corey to hold one end up.
Stay right there, Corey. Don't put that down.
And just set it up temporarily. See what I'm going to do with it.
Hell, you don't know what you're doing. All right, so we came up here to visit Vita and Scotty. Everybody know me as Scooter Tramp Scotty, and there's to the bone. But there's Vita doing her favorite thing,
The favorite
making
thing.
smoothies.
Smoothies.
Ah.
Smoothies for Eric and Toddy. Teddy. He's doing his favorite thing, but he doesn't know
So
how
she's
to work.
making me a smoothie.
Don't know how to.
What you got in there?
This is banana, this yaki, this is what is called
Watermelon.
watermelon line cutting, and this is papaya.
Papaya.
And then will be, what is it?
And there you have it. And there's Teddy. We're up on the 4th floor of this hostel. This is where they're staying. To give you an idea of what the bathroom looks like. This is their common area.
Yeah, this is our kitchen. This is
And then that's their bedroom. So I think it's like, how much is it? It's only $250.
for one person.
$250 a month.
Is it 250?
Yeah, I think it's,
Yeah, más o menos.
yeah, $250 a month. Not bad. Not bad at all.
Have you met Teddy?
That's where we live in Mexico. Do all your wash. You do your laundry right there. It's called a laundry tub. The rough board. The rough board is built in. But that's called a laundry tub. Anyway. We'll go down in there then. See, Scotty will be up there soon. We're sitting here, Scotty's doing laundry. Wash that shit up, Scotty.
Huh?
I said, wash that shit up.
I think I'm gonna just put one of these shirts on now.
That's a good idea.
Yeah, the
We're gonna go out for a
they all
walk.
get time dirty.
See what's happening.
Oh, come on, baby.
Okay.
Well, it'll be a thrill.
You're right, it's gonna be a hell of a night. There's Ernie. Tell us what's going on here tonight, Ernie.
It seems like there's a dog-a-thon, if you can get that. They're basically just trying to raise money for the free clinic, the free veterinary clinic.
Ah. So it's all happening right here at the campground. There's the man of the hour.
And there's Teddy.
And then there's Teddy. Hey, hold his leash down.
Okay.
I don't want him to come up here. It's just full of dogs. And but they're having a dog party. It's for the free clinic for the dogs down here in Sayulita, Mexico. Right on the beach.
Yeah, gracias amigos. Thank you so much.
Greyhound to
When
me.
the sun goes down, you should get closer, yeah?
I'm camped right there.
You look like you want to see a white anyway.
Matter of fact, I even got the AMOC up.
Okay.
Hanging out in the AMOC a little bit. But I guess we're 2 days away from my birthday, so it's my party. There's my camp, there's my AMOC. And Kitty Bone. Anyway, there you go.